working iteratively and updating the portfolio iteratively too is becoming more and more important nowadays. And the reason is very simple. Traditionally, portfolio management looked years ahead. And this year we would define the plans for the coming year and the year beyond, and we'd execute on it. And the world was slow enough to deal with the small changes we need to make. But if the world keeps spinning up and becoming faster and faster and becoming more complex and more dynamic, looking further up front, it doesn't really make sense, because the plan you make are really plans to deviate from, or maybe plans just to start with and to adapt all the time. And then agile portfolio management comes in place. The fortunate thing is, though, that the execution layers, the operational layers, are already iteratively. They're already working sprints, and these sprints sum up to PIs, quarters. So the iterative cadence is already in the execution, but it's not in the strategy. So the only thing you have to do if you want to make your portfolio adaptable is to also introduce that cadence into your portfolio management. And that's what we call agile portfolio management. And the more iterative it becomes, the more discovery-based it becomes. Well, in our book, we define the 10 dimensions to make agile portfolio management more discovery-based. But the importance of it is not really because you want yourself, it's really because the environment, the world is changing and becoming faster and faster, and upfront planning, plan-based portfolio management is becoming rarer. You need to be more agile in your portfolio management because the world is becoming faster.